piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. Na, 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 na. Happy Halloween, Ben!
Hi, Halloween?
Yeah.
Dude, it's April. That's not Halloween by any stretch.
Yeah, but I live in dog years, so I get like 7 a year.
Dog years, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you're looking really good for a 140-year-old.
Hey, respect your elders.
Sure thing, Grandpa. Okay, well, look, I'll play. What are you dressing up as this year?
I'm dressing up as the skinless man.
Alright.
Do you want to sing?
Um... Hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
What? Knock it off, man. You're creeping me out.
Don't you like this?
Get away from me.
Don't you like it?
Get away. Never, ever do that again.
Okay. So what are you coming as?
Oh, I'm already wearing my outfit this year.
Really? What is it?
My father's shame.